Indo-Gulf Marketing Association, a synergy to the Indo-Gulf relations, welcomes you. After 5 successful conferences with more than 500 plus participants and 150 plus presenters, we welcome you to join our 6th International Research Conference in Sydney, Australia on January 30th, 2021. And the best part of our conference is we are going to collaborate with AIIMS, the biggest body of management schools in India, and we are going to honor best research cases and young researchers in our next conference that is in Sydney, Australia. Till that time, let's hear to all the experts who were the part of this international conference what they need to say about Indo-Gulf Marketing Association conferences.
Hi, I am Dr. Mohan Agarwal, President of Indo-Gulf Marketing Association. This is a movement to reimagine business wherever we are, whether Dubai or India or in different parts of the world. We are doing simulation-based training as well as research conferences highlighting the work of young researchers. I welcome you to join the movement.
I'm Professor Jagdish Sheth. I want to congratulate Professor Mohan Agarwal for hosting and organizing this conference on reimagining business. I hope the conference goes very well and my best wishes. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Vandana Ahuja. I'm a professor of marketing at Amity Business School, a part of the research-driven Amity University. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Professor Mohan Agarwal on establishing the Gulf Marketing Association and setting up a series of these conferences. This is an extremely noble endeavor where he is providing a platform to researchers to share their thoughts and engage in active discussions. Researchers can reach out to experts and learn from them. They can also learn to address real-life challenges plaguing both the society as well as the corporate world. I wish everybody who's participating in this conference all the very best. Looking forward to several such endeavors in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lucy Floyd, and I recently attended Indo-Gulf Marketing Association's Singapore conference regarding reimagining business. The premise of this concept is really amazing because we have people who've been in the field for a really long time coming to listen to young professionals and their ideas and really valuing those ideas and potentially bring those ideas into their day-to-day work. So it was an honor to be a part of this conference, and it was an invaluable experience.
Hello, I am Dr. S.L. Gupta, Dean and Professor of Valjad College of Applied Sciences, Muscat. Indo-Gulf Marketing Association is one of the reputed associations in GCC as well as in India. They always invite topmost speakers as their keynote speakers, and all the conferences are of excellent quality and are exceptionally good for the faculty, students, trainers and industry experts. I wish all the best to Indo-Gulf Marketing Association for their future conferences and events.
You all, I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Agarwal and Indo-Gulf Marketing Association for inviting me to the international conference at Singapore yesterday. And it was really a pleasant experience with sharing my views with people who from across the globe, whether it is USA, Europe, Gulf countries, India, different states of India. It was really an exhilarating experience, and I wish Dr. Agarwal and Indo-Gulf Marketing Association all the very best to more such conferences. Thank you.
My name is Gitanjali Pandit. I am an international award-winning author, columnist, a global keynote and TEDx speaker. And the Forum of Indo-Gulf Marketing, its wonderful conferences all across the globe, have helped me to understand how I can dive deep into research of my interest, how I can understand better global movements, global interest in practical areas of research, how I can take forward my work to put it on a global platform for peer review, absolutely wish him and the Indo-Gulf Marketing Association, just all the very best in their endeavors. And I promise, Dr. Agarwal, that I am going to be shadowing you for some time in all the conferences that you're holding, and I'm certainly looking forward to the London conference as well as to the Boston conference coming up in just a little while from now. All the very best to you, and thank you so much for being a friend, philosopher and guide, and for being there with me.
Outset, I would like to thank Dr. Mohanlal Agarwal for giving me an opportunity to participate and present a paper in the Singapore conference, and giving me a platform where I could share my ideas, thoughts and experience with all the other researchers. It was a wonderful conference. Thank you, sir. We are looking forward to another conference of the same kind in the near future. Thank you very much.
My name is Jyoti Guptara. I'm an executive coach and international business storytelling consultant based in Switzerland. I think it was a great conference. I really enjoyed listening to the other speakers, and I especially appreciate the warm moderation and facilitation by Dr. Mohan Agarwal. I look forward to participating in more events.
After listening to so many of the experts and attendees, so are you excited to attend our next research conference? Then do share your one-page research abstracts and join with us now. All the conference details is being provided in the description section. Do subscribe the channel for more updates.